Hey everyone, today we're going to do something really cool. We're going to show you how to take a simple AI and turn it into your own personal financial genius. We've got 10 specific prompts that are going to help you get a complete handle on your money, starting right now. Let's jump in.
So, does this feel familiar? You're trying to keep track of bills, savings, investments, maybe even taxes, and it all just feels like a lot. Trust me, you are not alone. Personal finance can get really, really complicated.
But just imagine for a second, what if you had your own CFO, a financial expert on call 24/7 who knows your exact situation and can build a strategy that's made just for you? Well, that's pretty much what we're going to build today using these 10 powerful prompts.
Okay, first things first, we have to start at the foundation, right? Before you can even think about building wealth, you need to know, really know, where your money is going right now. These first few prompts are all about getting that clarity and control.
So, our first tool is the Zero-Based Budget Builder. It's simple, but it's a game changer. You basically tell the AI your income and your expenses, and it spits out a plan where every single rupee gets a job. Whether that job is paying rent, going into savings, or being invested, absolutely nothing is left to chance.
Next up, we have the spending audit. Think of this one as a private detective for your bank account. You just copy-paste your expenses, and the AI will sort through everything, find those little leaks where you're overspending, and give you some realistic ideas on how to cut back and save more.
All right, now let's build a safety net. With the Emergency Fund Planner prompt, the AI takes your numbers and builds a clear, step-by-step roadmap to saving up a fund that can cover you for 6 whole months if anything goes wrong. You know, this right here, this is what financial peace of mind looks like. Okay, so you've got control. You know where everything's going. Now it's time for the fun part. It's time to go on the offense. This next set of prompts is your growth engine. It's all about making your money start working just as hard as you do. If you have any kind of debt, you have to try this prompt. Seriously, the Debt Destroyer looks at all your loans and it compares 2 really powerful strategies. One is all about saving the most money on interest, and the other is about building psychological momentum. It'll help you figure out the fastest way out.
And what's so great about this is the choice it gives you. See, the avalanche method logically saves you more money over time. But the snowball method, where you knock out small debts first, gives you these quick wins that keep you motivated. The AI helps you decide what's best for your personality, not just the math.
And now, investing. This prompt is amazing because it creates a roadmap tailored specifically for India. It'll factor in things like index funds, mutual funds, and even those great government-backed options like PPF and NPS. You just tell it your age, your income, and how much risk you're comfortable with, and it does the rest.
And this is what that could actually look like. The AI will suggest an asset allocation, which is just a fancy way of saying a mix of different investments. You'll get some funds for growth, maybe some government schemes to keep things stable. All of it is customized for you.
Want to put your wealth building on the fast track? Use the Side Income Generator. Just list out your skills, what you're good at, and how much time you have, and it'll brainstorm 5 practical, realistic ideas for you to earn some extra money.
So, we've built control. We've started the growth engine. This final stage is all about playing the long game. It's about optimizing everything so you can reach true financial freedom. This one, the FIRE calculator, is your map to financial independence. It uses the principles of the financial independence retire early movement and something called the 4% rule to do something incredible. It calculates the exact amount of money you need to save to be able to live off your investments forever.
And this is the magic right here. It takes that vague dream of retiring someday and turns it into a real number, a concrete target. When you see your number, suddenly the entire goal feels so much more real and, honestly, achievable. Let's be real. No financial plan is complete if you're not smart about taxes. This prompt is an absolute must-have for anyone earning a salary in India. It'll compare the old and new tax regimes for you and show you exactly how to use deductions like 80C and 80D to legally save as much tax as possible.
And finally, we have the ultimate prompt. This one, the annual financial review, brings everything together. It literally turns the AI into your personal CFO. It'll ask you about 10 key questions about your finances, and then, boom, you get a financial health score, a list of potential risks, and a clear 12-month action plan.
So after all that, what's the next step? Well, it's pretty clear. It's time for you to become the CFO of your own life.
Now, everything we've covered here today has just been a quick look at what these prompts can do. To really get the hang of this and use these strategies the right way,
you're going to want to download the full prompt guide. We've put a link for you in the description. It has the complete text for every prompt, detailed examples of how to use them, and the whole strategy behind each one. It's your complete toolkit. So what's the first question you're going to ask?
Thank you. Share and subscribe to Learn AI for more AI insights.